need to sleep for 10 years. I look like I got hit by a car. So that's really cool. This week has been my dance intensive that I have every summer. The last day is tomorrow, so you could say that I'm exhausted. And on top of the intensive, we also have the regular summer classes, so I have to get ready for that tonight. And so I thought, why not film a video, like, me getting ready for dance, like, how I get ready for dance. So I guess it's like another get ready with me video, but for dance instead of every day. Okay, so I'm just gonna start brushing my hair. You can see into my closet. I don't feel like getting up to shut it, I'm sorry. So I want my hair to be like here. Do that, and then go up. I'm gonna bring this all up into a ponytail. Hair tie. So I'm just gonna spray the top a little extra. So that should be good. Now I take my ponytail and I twist it. I have kind of thin hair, so a lot of the times this bun just is really small. So sometimes I do my buns different ways to make them bigger. But at this point, I just have like one class now, so I don't really care if my bun's not the biggest. I can show you guys in another video how I do like my big messy buns. Those were like my classic hairstyle in sophomore year. So maybe I need to bring those back. So I didn't even explain what I was doing. You saw me, I twisted my hair and now I'm just pinning it. And it actually really helps if you make your buns while your hair is like damp, like mine is, because the shape of the bun stays more when it's damp. So, just a little tip. And then I like to like, if it looks a little wonky or like too flat for my liking, I like pull some hairs up on it. Yep, so that's good. I'm just gonna go over it. Now for makeup, I wear foundation sometimes, depends on the day, but I only have one class and I get out at night, so I'm not gonna put on foundation. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of concealer because I do have some zits. Now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Again, I do dip brow on the ends, and then brow pencil in this part. Okay, next I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow because I feel like it. This color Georgia, and like, I'm gonna go all over my eye with that. I'm gonna take white peach and go in the inner corner. Candied peach and go in the crease. And now you have a little color on your eyes. Eyelash curler. And I'm just gonna do light mascara, so I'm gonna take this Clinique. It's not too heavy. I'm gonna do highlight. I'm using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I like to like mix a lot of the colors, so I'm gonna mix these to start with. I feel like amber gold really matches our with the pink eyeshadow because it does have a little pinky tone to it. So, also what I want to use is this Becca. It's pink, so it will match. It's like really nice to go with the. Next is lips. The gloss I'm using is this like Blossom. It's really cute. It has little flowers in it. It's from Aerie. There's this YouTuber named Luna something. I forget what her last name is, but she did a get ready with me video for dance too, and she put these earrings on, and they were so cute. So I just had to go out and buy them so I could wear them too. They're from Brandy Melville. Look how cute these earrings are. Hey. So I'm sitting and editing this, and I realized that I never filmed an outro or a thank you or thanks for watching. Sorry this was a really, I'd say, uninteresting video. I was boring. I didn't make any jokes. I didn't do anything, so better luck next time, am I right?